Markups are a great way to communicate with collaborators directly inside a SOLIDWORKS file. With SOLIDWORKS 2020, accessing these tools is easier than ever now that they have their own toolbar and CommandManager tab. You'll also notice that while in touch mode, these buttons are larger and easier to hit on the first try. As always, markups are stored in the Feature Manager tree under the Markups folder. SOLIDWORKS 2020 makes finding a specific markup much easier now that the new Hover preview shows markups in the orientation in which they were created. Once you're satisfied with your markups, export one or many to several different file formats, including PDF, JPEG, and TIFF. SOLIDWORKS 2020 now supports markups in 2D drawings. The same toolbars and workflows are available, making markups in drawings familiar and intuitive. The visibility of markups can be controlled on an individual basis from the right-click context menu or on a global basis using the View drop-down in the heads-up display. In the past, participating in markups required a touchscreen device. Now SOLIDWORKS 2020 supports devices without touchscreens. Simply use your mouse to click and draw. SOLIDWORKS facilitates effective communication through markups, and with SOLIDWORKS 2020, it's easier than ever to use across all files and across all devices.